Hello everyone, this is Angel Tom here. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, mayroon tayong sangla update. Dati, nasasanla ko sa Palawan ito. May 0.65 grams na dainty earrings. It's inspired earrings. Dati 4,550 2 months ago. Tapos, pina-appraise ko siya today. 3,850 na lang siya. Bumaba ang sanla. And, chinek ko rin yung papel di ahensya ko sa alahas na sinanla ko a month ago that nakaraang buwan is 16,000. Ngayon, 13,000 na lang siya yung appraisal value. So, bumaba siya ng halos 3,000 pesos. O, 2,000 pesos. Kasi 13,000 something eh. So, yeah. Dati kasi, nasasanla ko ito ng 4,550 divided by 0.60. I think that's 64. So 7,000 siya before. Now, 3,850 divided by 0.64. Yeah, eto na lang siya. 6,000 per gram. So, bumaba ang presyo ng sanla sa Palawan Pawn Shop. So, yes, that's it. And I'll try to update again, maybe next month. So, I'll see you on the next video. And have a good day.